Hey guys, it's Nicole with Honest Try TV. Welcome back. And today I'm going to be opening the latest delivery from CookUnity. So this is our second week trying out CookUnity. And this time we ordered lamb kebab, another lamb kebab because I really liked it last time. Ginger lemongrass braised short rib, braised lamb sabzi, chipotle chicken with creamy polenta, roasted turkey meatballs, chicken and Israeli couscous, Korean steak, and short rib tacos. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package, and as you can see here, it comes in a reusable kind of white bag. And what you do is when you get the new delivery, you leave the bag from the prior week out on the step. And so they just reuse the same bags over and over again. So they'll basically like pick your old bag up and give you the new one full of stuff. So give me just a second to get set up and I'll show you what we got. Okay, so here we are, and inside the bag you have an ice pack on top this time, thank God, because our first delivery did not have an ice pack on top, and I noticed that the food that was on the top of the bag was hot because it's super hot here. It's like in the high 80s, and yeah, I was really concerned that that stuff was going to go bad quickly because it had been kind of heated, basically. So I'm gonna move this ice pack out the way. Ugh. All right, so I moved the ice pack out the way, and now there's a piece of protective plastic here. I'm gonna move that too. This is just water from the ice pack, no big deal. Move that off to the side. Okay, we're looking a little messy though. I'm guessing that just the water from the ice pack caused this, and not like this isn't from the actual food. Okay, I hope not. So here's our lamb kebab with turmeric hummus. We really like this from the last one, so we reordered it. We have our ginger and braised short rib. We have our short rib tacos. Oh, interesting. Beer braised short ribs. Wait, did I order this? Why do I have so many short rib stuff? So much short rib stuff. Did I? I don't remember reading that off of my list. Okay, interesting. Beer braised short ribs. Don't remember ordering this, but whatever. We'll go back through and check in a second. Ginger and lemongrass. Here's the second one. Okay. Third one for ginger and lemongrass. Some more short rib tacos. All right. Israeli chicken and Israeli couscous. Ooh, it's a little messy in this bag. The last one was spotlessly clean. This one's dirty. Something spilled. I don't know what it was. Something spilled and made a mess inside the bag. Korean, whatever. Korean steak. It's hard to read. Just put that over here. Korean steak. Chipotle chicken, I believe. I can't tell because it's like ruined. Chipotle something. Roasted turkey meatballs. Alright, it smells terrible. Ugh. I don't know what the heck spilled, but ruined the vibe. So they only put one ice pack in per bag. So this time they put it in the very top of the bag. Previously it was in the bottom of the bag, so all the food in the top was hot. Like hot, like very warm. So like I said, what you do is you close this up and you store it somewhere in the meantime, and then next Monday when they come to drop off our next delivery, they will pick this up Set that off to the side for now. They'll pick that up and drop off our new delivery. So let's just have a quick check here. So 2 roasted turkey meatballs, check. 2 chicken Israeli couscous, check. 1 chipotle chicken with polenta, check. So boom, boom, boom. All right, let's come over here to all this short rib madness that we got going on, because I swear I don't recall. So there's no lamb. Oh, no, there's lamb. 2 lamb kebab, 3 ginger lemongrass, that's that. 2 braised lamb sabzi. Braised. Oh, that's what this is, maybe? It says short ribs, but maybe it's lamb short ribs? Question mark. I'm going to have to research to make sure that that's the correct item. It gives me a code, but I don't see a code on here to kind of match to make sure that I got the correct item, so I'm not entirely sure. No, I take it back because the ingredients are listed here and it clearly says beef. So this ain't right. I'm missing my braised lamb sabzi. So we've got the chipotle chicken, that's that. Right? No, I'm sorry. That is the Korean steak too, and then the short rib tacos too. So for some reason they swapped out our lamb and gave us more short ribs. So we got like a lot of short rib going on this week for some odd reason. Like 5 dishes. No, 6. Okay, so I'm going to contact them and I'll let you know the outcome of that. Also, like I said, something spilled. Sorry for the food off in the corner on the island. Please disregard that. But yeah, something spilled in the bag. And so I don't know what's dripping or, draining or whatever. I'll try to be careful as I load all this stuff into my fridge so it doesn't make a similar mess. But yeah, a little mistake this time. But otherwise, here's the haul for this week. So that's everything. And yeah, there's our little bag. And I will let you know the outcome of the issue once I contact CookUnity to get our little mishap resolved. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let us know if you have any questions, concerns, recommendations. And thank you so much for joining us on Honest Try TV. This is Nicole signing out. Bye.